जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 18th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "O Arjuna, the enlightened soul, Atmajnani, his vision does not stop at the level of body. His vision goes beyond the body and identifies Atma in each and every body. May it be a learned person, may it be a Brahmana, may it be a cow, may it be an elephant, may it be a dog. The enlightened person's vision does not stops at the level of body but goes up to the Atma and realizes that Atma in every body is same, because every Atma is a personification of Jnanam. So enlightened person realizes that fact and does sees all the Atmas are equal, but not at the body level, but at the Atma level. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining us about equal vision that an enlightened person will carry. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Sunichaiva Svapake cha Panditaha Samadarshinaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Parikshit Narendra asking Sri Sukha Yogindra like this: O Yogindra, Sukha Brahma, Paramatma, naturally he does never gets tainted by any kind of dosham, pollution. Such Paramatma, how he is coming into different forms. Usually souls, all other jivas, they take body. Those bodies are constructed by 5 elements. Now what kind of body that Paramatma takes when he comes down? O Sukayogindra, Paramatma came down as Sri Krishna. So what kind of body he is having? Usually all of us take body because of karma. What is the reason behind Paramatma taking a body? Or does he just takes bodies on his own? Can you please tell me all these details? Yogindra, आसीत यत् उदरात् पद्मं लोक samsthana lakshanam. All these words comes out of Paramatma's navel, and all these lokas are supported by Paramatma. How big such Paramatma is? Can you please tell me the size of Paramatma? Ajaha srujati bhutani bhutatma yadanugrahat. Such Paramatma, who is the controller of, who is the governor of all the souls. From such Paramatma's navel, Chaturmukha Brahma is revealed. Chaturmukha Brahma came out. That Brahma, Dadarsa Yena Tadrupam, had a first darshanam of Paramatma's divine universal form. O Yogindra, that Paramatma, Sriman Narayana, is the one who takes care of Srishti Sthiti Layam, and he is an embodiment of all divine auspicious attributes. O Yogindra, I would like to know, at the time of dissolution, pralayam, where does he sleeps? Can you please tell me? And I heard that from Chaturmukha Brahma, all these worlds and all the rulers of these planets, everything comes out as and how it was in the Purva Yugam, in the previous Yugam, previous Kalpam. How does that happen? I would like to know. And there is a division of the time, that is past tense, present tense and future. How is that counted, calculated? And there is a very small amount of time which is known as minute, and there is the big amount of time which is known as year. How is that calculated? How is that counted? O Yogindra, and what are the fruits for the different activities? How does Devatas arranges fruits for the different activities performed by the souls? And I would like to know about the sattva gunam, rajogunam, tamogunam. Also, I would like to know how are these souls taking devatas bodies, and how did all these mountains, earth, patalam, sky, all the sides, planets, nakshatras, stars, mountains, rivers, oceans, islands, how did all these things formed? Oh Yogendra, please tell me about this entire universe. Like this, Parikshit Narendra asking Sri Sukha Yogendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Majjanmanah phalamidam madhukaita bhare matprardhaniya madanugraha yesha eva tvadbhrutya bhrutya परिचारक भृत्य भृत्य भृत्यस्य भृत्य इति मां स्मर लोकनाथ. कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम्. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter 18th श्लोक. विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि सुनिचैव स्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः. विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि सुनिचैव स्वपाके च पंडिताः समदर्शिनः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.